Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to connect Take Profit Trader to TradingView, and this one is actually much simpler than most people think. So let's dive in. Now, go ahead and log into your TradingView, and then from here, you want to click on Products, then go to Super Charts. Then from here, you want to go to your trading panel right over here, pull it up, and then you want to click Show All Brokers. Now, here's the key part. When you scroll through the brokers, you'll notice that Take Profit Trader is actually not listed. And that's not a mistake. The reason is that you don't need to connect Take Profit Trader to TradingView. Take Profit Trader already uses TradingView by default. That means when you log into your Take Profit Trader dashboard, the charts you're using are already powered by TradingView. You get full access to TradingView's charting tools, indicators, and technical analysis features directly inside your Take Profit Trader account. No extra setup required. So, if you are trying to link it through the TradingView broker panel, you can stop right there. You're already connected. And that's it. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.